What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix ERR MEM embedded alloc guard1 error that is happening for the GTA 5 for many users when they're trying to play it on the Steam, and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to, I'll be providing few links in the description that's going to take you to this. So these are actually the pack fit limit adjuster. Then we have head adjuster, pool manager, and we have game config. So these are some of the links. So you have to download each these. So let me download this first. You have to download it, click on the download. So it is downloaded. Similarly, go to the head adjuster, go to this particular link, click on the download. So it will be also downloaded. Go to the pool manager, click on the download. So it will be downloaded. And similarly, go for game config for legacy, go to download and download it. So all these 4 files will be successfully downloaded. Now we just need to go back to the downloads. As you can see, we have these 4 files. So just get into this one. The first one, that is pack limit adjuster over here. So let me extract this. We need to extract it all. Just extract it. So do the same. We have to extract it. And once you extract it, or you don't have, once extraction is done, just copy this particular file. And you have to go to this PC, navigate to the game installation folder, that is Steam library, Steam apps, common, Grand Theft Auto. Now we need to paste it. Afterwards, similarly go to the next one, that is pack lift is done. Go to head adjuster. Now we need to copy this particular one. Copy, directly go to game installation directory. Go over here, Steam library, Steam apps, common. Get into Grand Theft Auto. We need to paste it. Similarly, go to downloads. Get pool manager. Copy this. Now we need to copy this particular one. And we have to go to this PC, go to this particular one, Steam library, Steam apps, common. Now get into Grand Theft Auto, paste it. Then go for the last one, that is this particular one. You should be doing the same for this one also. So let me extract this. Now you extract, you're fine with it. You don't have to do for this one. Do for rest 3. That is head adjuster, pack facelifter, and the pool manager. Once you copy and paste these files in your game directory, you can just close this. Now go back and launch the game, and you'll not be having this trouble. So this is what it is, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.